Helicopter is ready to save people. The helicopter is landing. Mission complete. A helicopter is a flying machine goes sideways, up and down. Some helicopters have kids. Kids are like metal legs. They help the helicopter land and take off safely. Kids helicopter usually carry 3 to 4 people, including the pilot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 passengers and 1 pilot. Other helicopters have tires or wheels. Tires help helicopters roll on the ground. They can carry 6 to 12 people, including the pilot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 pilot and 5 passengers. So which one do you like more? I like the with wheels or tire because it carry more people. Thank you.